Floral bag. Let us decorate this floral bag together. You will need crayons, glue, tissue paper. Color the border and handle of the bag as shown. Apply glue on a spot on the bag. Paste a tissue paper and apply glue in the center as shown. Paste another piece of tissue paper on it in a crisscross position. Crumple a small piece of another tissue paper and paste it in the center so it looks like a flower. Repeat with other colors to make more flowers on the bag. Use crayons to decorate the bag further. The floral bag looks so pretty.